There's a gentleman yesterday in the lobby gave me a picture of me and Kylan playing up here in 2008, and he was about up to here, you know. And now look at it. And I believe that he's got a tapeworm because he eats every 30 minutes, you know. And it's not little portions, it's like cars and stuff like that. Kylan's tuning up, you know. I was laying on the couch last week and it was raining real hard. There's a knock at the front door. And I thought, just as soon as I get comfortable, somebody would come knock on my door. And I got up, went and opened the front door, and it was my mother-in-law. I said, just don't stand there in the rain, go home. Oh.